Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to stop someone from saving your snap on Snapchat, real, practical steps you can do right now to protect your pics and videos. Listen up, because there's no perfect armor here, but these moves will massively reduce the risk. First, don't post sensitive content to your story. Stories are meant to be viewable by multiple people and are easier to save or screen record. If you must share, change your story privacy to custom and only select people you fully trust. Go to your profile, tap the gear icon for settings, then under Who Can, set Contact Me to Friends and View My Story to Friends or Custom. This removes strangers and reduces exposure. If one person keeps saving your snaps, remove or block them. Open their profile, tap the three dots, and choose Remove Friend or Block, Instant Stop. Check your memory settings too. Disable automatic saving to memories for sensitive snaps. And enable two-factor authentication in settings to keep your account from being hijacked. A few important realities. People can still take screenshots or record their screen. Snapchat notifies you of screenshots, but can't prevent them. Never rely on Snapchat to protect extremely sensitive info. Don't use or trust third-party apps that promise no screenshot. They're scams and risk your data. If someone saves and shares your content without consent, report them to Snapchat. Support and consider taking screenshots of the evidence for your records. For highly sensitive leaks, you may need to explore legal options. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more smart privacy tips, and tell me in the comments which Snapchat trick you want next. Catch you in the next one.